Hey guys, as you can see, you can comment that I'm handsome. Handsome for my haircut. Is my haircut right? Tell me, is it right or bad? Tell me I'm handsome. If you say I'm ugly, I'm not gonna create a video ever again. And I'm gonna delete my channel if you say that I'm ugly. So don't say it. Say that I'm not ugly. And I'm gonna give you 1 billion diamonds in Minecraft. Okay? Okay? Just go to Block Crazy VIP. Okay? VI Block Crazy VIP 3D. Okay, guys? If you said I'm ugly, then I'm going to not give you 1 billion diamonds and Block Crazy VIP 3D, and I'm not I'm going to delete my channel, and I'm not gonna upload a video. If you comment handsome, that means I'm handsome. If you comment ugly, then that means I hate you. Okay? If you comment ugly, that means you hate me, and that means you hate. And if you comment that I'm ugly, that means you hate me and I hate you. Okay? Bye guys.